Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Vivo V17 and the Realme XT. Realme XT is powered by Snapdragon 712 CPU with 8 GB RAM, while the Vivo V17 comes with a Snapdragon 675 chipset with 8 GB RAM as well. Both phones comes with a quad cameras on the back, and you can see main we have on the Realme XT is a 64 megapixel versus a 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And last we have a 2 megapixel for macro lens. Same we have on the Realme XT, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel for macro lens. So let's see how much a difference between the Vivo V17 and the Realme XT in a head-to-head speed test battle. And like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And logo came up first on the Realme XT followed by the Vivo V17, and both phones is running on Android 9 Pie. And we have a ultra O display. It is a hole punch display on the Vivo V17. Let me show you, and you can see we have a hole punch display on the Vivo V17 versus a water drop notch on the Realme XT. And you can see that was about the same on both phones. Not a huge difference when it comes to booting up. Both phones comes with a very beautiful full HD super AMOLED display, but we have a very beautiful display on both phones, ultra O display, and the bezel is also very small on both phones. So let's see the apps opening speed between these devices. So like always, everything is closed up in the background like always. And the first application we have is the phone dialer. Here we go. And you can see that's felt a little bit quicker on the Realme XT followed by the Vivo V17. So opening up the settings, and that was about the same on both phones, not difference there. Opening up the calendar, that is really quicker on the Vivo V17 followed by the Realme XT. So opening some more application, my clock, and again that was about the same on both phones, no difference there. So opening up the my files, and that's felt a little bit quicker on the Realme XT, but again you guys are the judge of the speed test, you guys are watching this video. Let's opening some more application and launching the music, and again that was about the same on both phones. And guys, you can see system based application, that was about the same. Opening up the calculator, that seems like a little bit quicker on the Vivo V17 followed by the Realme XT. And opening up some games application, and first we got is the Candy Crush Saga. We have a Snapdragon 675 versus a Snapdragon 712, and you can see Vivo V17 is faster than the Realme XT Snapdragon 712, and you can see about 1 second difference there. So opening up the Subway Surfer, boom, and you can see ultra O display looks incredible on the Vivo V17, and you can see seems like a little bit faster on the Vivo V17 followed by the Realme XT. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and seems like faster again on the Vivo V17, and I think little bit faster, not a huge difference. I say it is almost same on both phones, but we have a little bit difference when it comes of app opening speed. So last when I launching the cameras on both phones, and that is faster on the Vivo V17 followed by the Realme XT. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Google Chrome on the Realme XT versus a Vivo internet browser on the Vivo V17. Same Wi-Fi network on both phones. So first website we have is the Amazon.com. Here we go. And you can see that is faster on the Realme XT first, while the Vivo V17 is still taking some time, and now it is also done. And you can see about 1 or 2 second difference there between these devices, and the scrolling is very smooth on both phones, no lag we have on both phones. So next on the list is the wikipedia.org, and that seems like a little bit quicker on the Vivo V17 followed by the Realme XT. Very fast and smooth experience on both phones with the scrolling with same thing zooming out. So opening up the videos, and that was about the same on both phones again. So let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. Both phones comes with a 8 GB RAM, and we have also a lot of apps in the background, and no refresh settings, no refresh on both phones. let's see the let's see the calendar, no refresh again on both phones. Both phones are is perform very good in the RAM management, because both phones comes with a very massive 8 GB RAM with a good optimization that we see right now. And let's see the games on both phones. Again, no refresh. So far both phones is perform very good in the RAM management, and we have a very good multitasking on both phones, no problem whatsoever with the multitasking. And last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see no refresh on both phones. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed it's felt little bit faster on the Vivo V17 in game app loading time, but the system-based application speed that was about the same on both phones. RAM management is absolutely incredible on both phones, not much a difference between these devices. And thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Vivo V17 and the Realme XT. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.